you guys doing? How are you doing?
Good, how are you doing?
Oh, one of you the daughter?
No, I'm not. She's around though.
I did a YouTube with the owner a little while back.
Or Linda?
Linda. We had a great time.
Oh, very fun.
It's good to see you out and about.
Yeah, have a great time.
I want to hear the sizzle.
It's sizzling.
It's sizzling. This is much better than it was last year, isn't it?
Yeah.
In Grandview Park there, you guys were inside that hot little area.
Oh yeah.
Have a good day. Come vai? Tutto bene?
Benissimo.
Bravissimo. So as we make our way through 14 blocks of incredible people, incredible booths, all kinds of exciting food. It's going to be about 25 degrees. My favorite colors, by the way, are blue. But equal to blue is red and white. Not a big fan of green. Someone very special to me is not a fan of green either, and that's why. So I got some red on, I've got to get some green on, and some white somewhere, having to do with the beautiful Italian flag. Country I have a passport from, which is this one, Canada, and we're enjoying a beautiful day here, all right? Lots of authentic, original, no cap stuff, meaning it's authentic, I think. How are you?
How are you?
Good. This is nice out here, isn't it? Much better than last year.
Yes.
Hi. How are you?
We are good.
Oh, look at those big
So
smiles.
we are from El Mundo.
El Mundo.
El Mundo Cafe.
Right here, you're outside.
Yeah. We are outside just showcasing some of our products.
Okay.
But we have the nicest coffee in neighborhood.
Okay.
And then we have gelato. You have to try our gelato.
Your gelato is famous.
Fantastic, I would say.
Number one.
You make it, I would think it's number one, but it's up to you.
You know,
as the
last
customer.
fall I did a best coffee shop experiences in Vancouver YouTube series.
Oh, I'm gonna watch that.
You should.
Yes.
I will find you and tag you the link, and maybe sometime I come make a video with you.
Please do. I'm not here. I'm in downtown called Perfecto Cafe.
Same owner?
No, different.
Different.
I'm only here to do this, you know, helping out.
You need to meet a friend who is in the series with me.
Okay.
I'm going to introduce you. Her name's Anna.
Oh, perfect.
Roaster, all the rest. She has her own coffee. But
That's
she loves it like I think you do.
Oh, perfect.
Tomorrow I will see her.
Okay.
Sorry.
How long did it take them?
Like that, buddy.
All right, Anna. There's a new friend who loves coffee as much as you do. They got gelato, I'm told, at the El Mundo Cafe. The people go on for blocks. And by the way, the Italian Culture Center and the Chamber, both here and across Canada, do a lot of good for a lot of people, especially focused on helping youth, young people. One of the not-for-profits that they work with in helping alleviate some of the problems they're going through. Here's the prize for the raffle. Can I buy the winning ticket?
And then you can try it.
That's beautiful.
I want for the Italian.
Oh, they're the other side, yeah.
The winner's going to be happy.
So you bought one already?
No.
Well, you better get
There's a
one.
lineup. I'll come back. You want to get in the photo?
No, I want to go sit on the red one over there.
Oh, there's another one over there. More Italian Vespas here. What is this place? Vespa Metro. Whoa. Oh, there's some more here. These will look better. They're in the sun. There are a lot of people that need this message. I was just 3 months in Japan. There are way too many snoring people in Japan. It's a big problem. It's the #2 problem.
Maybe I should go to Japan.
You would do well. You know what the #1 problem in Japan right now is? The men are standing too far away from the urinal. Big campaign, move up. #2, I think, is snoring. Is this your business?
Yes.
And it's called Relaxation
Relaxation
Island
Island.
Aromatherapy.
That's right.
You make the product?
It's actually my husband. He's a aromatherapist.
Okay.
And he makes.
So last year I was here at this festival when it was just Grandview Park. I wanted to come back for a few hours and make more videos because I like it.
Nice.
It's got everything that's enjoyable.
Nice.
What's your name?
Atusa.
Tusa Danny.
Nice to meet you, Danny.
Advisor Danny. Nice to meet you.
I will remember that.
I look forward to meeting you and your husband. Are you from Punjab?
No, I'm Persian.
Persian. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What a beautiful place. I have not been there. I've been close, and I'll leave it at that.
Yeah. We just hope for the best.
See you again.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Danny.
Whoa! What are you doing today?
Having fun.
Did you eat anything?
Not yet.
What are you gonna eat?
A lot.
What's gonna be your favorite?
Italian, of course.
Are you Italian?
No way.
Good sport. Wanting to jump in the picture. A pretty face, a smiling face, an engaging face. People that realize life is short, so let's get on with it and make the very best of it. Every day that we can. Today, for me, it's Italian Day. How you doing?
How you doing?
You got the winning ticket here?
You got the winning ticket. You gonna buy one?
Are you sure?
No, 100%. Get over here. I told that to everybody else.
How much is it?
$5 a piece, buddy.
Oh, I want a ticket.
Okay.
You got to be in it to win it. Can you hold this?
Sir. Yeah. Don't run. One? One it is.
I just need one.
15 back? There you are, big
I
guy.
gotta fill something in?
Yes, sir. Make sure you name it down.
There you go.
This one?
Thank you.
Good luck.
Just on the back right there.
Hi guys.